Hello everyone, welcome back to my new vlog. So today, after checking all the sessional copies, I made a layout about how I have to decorate my home and what all is required from the market, because right after college I'll be going to the market to buy all the Diwali decoration stuff. So yeah, reached home, made dahi aloo because want to have something light, then made a good cup of tea because चाय बहुत ज़रूरी है इससे पहले कि मैं आपको अपनी पूरी दिवाली शॉपिंग दिखाऊं. तो for that, first a good cup of tea, book, cookies, and now we'll start. Then this is something which my husband ordered online from Amazon, and this is basically for the akhand diya because fan on hota hai to wo bujh na jaye. For that iske andar dal do when it looks beautiful. Then I bought some toran for home and मुझसे रहा नहीं जा रहा था, so yeah मैंने आज ही डेकोरेट कर दिया, थोड़ा सा आज ही लगा दिया. This is my corridor which I'll be decorating. तो मैं सोच रही थी like how I'll be doing it. While I was sitting reading a good book, I received something from my husband, which is something really mesmerizing because आजकल घर में इतने सारे पार्सल्स आ रहे हैं जो भी हम लोग ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर कर रहे हैं, एंड इस पर मैंने नोटिस नहीं करा, एंड सडनली आई सॉ दैट आई गॉट Ferrero Rocher, and it took me back to those old days where we were in relationship and he used to come and gift me all these things. College I shopped all this stuff. This is all the latkan, the artificial flowers, the yellow one. I'll make a combination of it. This is my favorite. This is basically that latkan जो आप दरवाजे के पीछे लगा सकते हैं, and I chose this color because my curtains are of purple color. So I mostly love pastel colors. So yeah, this was a pink color, baby pink color, but in a very unique way. Yeah, so this I ordered and I really liked it. So yeah, this is one latkan, another like this only. We have two because ये दरवाजे के corner में लगेगा तो दोनों same color के. Then these are the another toran जो कि मैं एक corner decorate करूँगी, which will be like a selfie point, I should say. So yeah, all this stuff. Then one more latkan, as you can see. I've got this artificial diya because बाहर हम रंगोली बनाते हैं and वहाँ पे हवा की वजह से कभी कभी वो दिया बुझ जाता है. So for that this will be a great help. So I've got this. Then पहाड़ी में इसको ऐपड़ बोलते हैं, इसको देवी माँ के लक्ष्मी जी के पैर बोलते हैं, एंड वी कॉल इट ऐपड़. हम इसको चावल से बनाते हैं बेसिकली, गेरुआ एंड देन चावल से हम इसको बनाते हैं, बट वी डोंट हैव दैट फैसिलिटी हियर. सो इसको मैं स्टिक कर दूंगी. सेम ऐसा मैंने एक और मंगाया है. दिस इज दिस वन. आई रियली लाइक द पैटर्न एंड द स्टोन स्टडेड ऑन इट. सो दिस वाज नाइस. सो आई ऑर्डर्ड दिस आल्सो. Ordered nahi, I've purchased basically, I'm sorry. Purchased all this stuff right from my college. I went to the local market and I got all this stuff. Then these are the diyas. Basically I've got that panchmukhi diya also, and some item for the rangoli. These are the stencils, the colors, yeah, all this stuff. So that's pretty much for the Diwali. एंड अगर मुझे बीच में कुछ ब्लिंकिट में या फिर कहीं पे कुछ और चीज़ें दिखेंगी, सो a lot of that as well because Diwali is the biggest festival for us and it has to be celebrated in full josh. I have ordered some more for the decoration. These are basically the lights, those Chinese lights जिसे हम पूरा घर डेकोरेट करेंगे. So all this was ordered by my husband. He's good in this. So yeah. Then some more stencils because अगर ये stencils हैं तो रंगोली बनाना बहुत easy हो जाता है, especially for people like us. I'm not that pro जो कि लोग ऐसे हाथ करते हैं फटाफट बन जाता है, but मेरे से बनता नहीं है. So for that I use stencils. आप इसमें background like you can put white background in that and उसके ऊपर से you can use the stencil, like white background you can use purple color, pink color, green color, so it looks really nice and बहुत professional लगता है. So stencils, and then some more garlands. These are artificial garlands, because अगर आप normal garlands अगर आप hang करोगे, so they become very heavy. So for that these are a good help. Obviously original flowers तो होंगे, but yeah, बाहर की decoration के लिए this is fine. Husband likes decorating home, so today he ordered this for Diwali, and it's looking pretty cool. These are the pearl lights, pearl lamp you can say, and this is lovely.